Go.
Is it
What?
making a video?
Yes. Yes. You want to be in the video? You want to be in the video?
Fly Katon. That is very rare. I don't usually get to eat that. But it's in the bag. But it's a lot of mosquito over there. So if you have time, I can show you. You want some coconut? Maybe you gotta.
Oh. Yeah, coconut.
Why?
I know you gotta do it yourself.
Oh, you're so.
Yeah, chocolate Rina. Me,
Bon. Bon.
Bon. That's his dad. Got the mù màu đó là Pooh.
Maling.
Maling.
Maling. Okay. Yeah, so bye. Nice to meet you guys.
Yeah,
So,
nice to meet you.
this is our, just how we, I'm not a farmer, but this is how I come exercise, usually on the weekend. But this is a dragon fruit season. They just picked it, but there's some in there you can walk around pick, but because there's a sharp thorn. But and then at the end we're gonna pick some coconut over there. You can try. And there's some fruit in the bag. If we have time, we go pick some in the bag. Maybe. We'll go check it out in the bag.
Okay.
So Pooh, are you from Boston too?
Yes.
Oh, really?
See, you guys didn't
Oh, I didn't even see the hat.
From Boston?
From Low.
We all from Lowell.
Low. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What part of Boston?
Not here.
In the US.
Where are you from exactly?
I'm from Alston, Brighton.
Oh.
He's real Boston.
I went to UMass, Brandeis University, and then Brigham Young University.
Wow.
Why you were right up here?
No, not sure here.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Anybody want to? How long you been here?
Okay.
It'll eat you up. Yeah.
88.
Oh wow.
Wait, how long?
1988.
Oh, okay.
You've been here before we were born.
Yeah.
But you went to Low? You went to Boston for school?
I grew up over there.
Oh.
I came to the US and we grew up over there.
Okay. Yeah, we're all from Low.
I'm gonna call my wife. I don't know. We have some food over there for you guys,
yeah.
so I'm afraid it get dark. You can't leave. Right now, you go Chinatown, probably $5.99 or $6. I don't know how much. Who wanna show me how to pick it?
Okay.
Who knows how?
Oh, I don't know how to pick it.
Well, you gonna learn. Grab it on the pointy parts.
Okay, wait. We gotta record you.
Actually,
I know you can't. You gotta chop it.
well, you can twist and kill like you do with the chicken.
I never
didn't know that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice size too. I'll have it.
We're sharing, okay?
No, we're sharing it. Sorry, I'm very greedy. Yeah. It's okay. I guess they gave it to me now.
I've never seen one that like.
Yeah. Normally it's like
long,
down.
right?
This is
Longer, small.
More, it's not. This is the roundest I've seen. Usually
It
the
looks
more
like a devil fruit.
oval.
Get some powers out of it.
Already?
Alright, I'll put it
like
in that.
right?
Oh, she wants those.
Well, he picked it.
What are you doing?
I think it is, right? Because
No, he doesn't want to keep
just
it.
picked them all.
Yeah, he did. He said, yeah.
Since he just picked them
We can eat it.
Oh, is this the red one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what he said.
Oh, shoot.
I'm gonna follow her. She
He said I can have it.
Hence the...
No, look, I can
You.
see it. I can see it's red.
Oh, for real? Oh, shoot.
That is so true.
No? Yeah.
I'm not gonna be greedy. I'll
But
share
that's
with you
here,
guys, okay?
and I let them pull
Okay.
the farm in the front if you wanna come before it get dark. Yeah, come by the front where the coconut tree in the front. Yeah. Just let Kampa know too. Oh. Yeah.
Well, you're gonna point out the wrong one. Oh, small one.
No big. Welcome to come here, visit us.
Oh.
Usually
Are you
we
sure?
weekend. Yes.
Oh,
I'll give you my number.
yeah, I like
If
stuff
you
like
need,
this.
Like help, like during the weekend and
Oh
stuff
yes.
like that. Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
Yeah, no, cause I know like it's nice to like learn and know how you guys
Yeah,
keep
no,
this up too.
For us too, we we just enjoy outdoor.
Yeah.
Come here and relax.
I think it's natural.
Yeah.
Yeah, like
And, you
Kevin
know,
would think like it's in our blood to
Yes.
you
too
to
much
do this.
office work. So
I
this
do.
is special.
Who do you work for those departments?
Yeah, I work for Department of Education. I'm an HR specialist.
Oh, nice. Oh, I just got my degree in HR at
New
HTU.
job?
If you hire me,
Not
cool.
yet.
We always look for employees.
Oh, you got one too.
Yeah, I do.
If you're interested.
I am cool.
Okay, I'll
Get
give
your
you my
information.
contact.
Yeah.
You don't know if he's a good
Oh, that's small.
Wait, whoa. I am.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, we eating that right now. Alright,
You can
take the
eat
picture.
it. You can just use
Hold
your
that.
fingers, split it. There you go.
Oh my
Try.
gosh, fresh.
ខែ5ដល់ខែ10
I'll take a bite
ខ្ញុំវា
of
ផ្លែ
this one.
វានៅមានផ្លែ
Oh, mine's not good enough. Alright, bet.
Because it's already
But he's the only other Khmer person that hasn't met a lot of
I'm the one that organized most of the events over here.
Oh, really?
So, but past 2 years we haven't done anything.
Yeah. Understandable.
But,
The one yesterday.
Oh,
New Year and stuff like that.
that's
But
so awesome.
last couple of years, too busy with the Thai and the Lao community.
Yeah.
With fundraising and we're trying to build a meditation center.
Oh, really?
Everybody.
Oh, they.
It's so pretty. I just have to take a picture.
You know when it's bright, it's so beautiful, and when the flower bloom, it's amazing.
Yeah, like white flower, right?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I almost on my foot.
And it only bloom at night. It's so beautiful.
It's the white flower.
Right. It's so
Oh, yeah.
beautiful.
Yeah, we saw that Tantalus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So nice.
Before they.
And when it's bright, it's
fruition.
all red.
Wow.
It's just so pretty.
But it's not your farm, or is it your farm?
My in-law.
Your in-law?
Pretty much mine.
Oh.
Because you're gonna be taking over.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
they keep telling us to hurry up, do the paper.
Oh, you're gonna
That's
transfer
my
to you?
Yeah,
Oh, they're retiring?
yeah.
Oh.
They're not actually doing much. They just do this.
They just relax.
Yeah. And they have worker. But we're kind of trying to do the less intensive kind of stuff like coconut. We don't pick it. They pick it and they count it and they give us the money.
Yeah.
Oh.
So basically, you use the growers. And
Yeah,
then
yeah.
Anybody who wants it comes here and pays you.
But this stuff is only once a year, and then you make pretty good money. Very good money. You know, we sell like now $3 a pound.
Okay.
Each one of it is almost a pound already. Imagine we have 30, 40 bucks.
Yeah.
40 pounds per box.
Uh-huh.
So
How
they
much-
make good
How
money.
much each plant produces fruit? How much fruit? Oh, like
I would say at least 50 to 60 fruit
per plant.
per bush like this.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good money.
Okay. Go back over there.
So you guys all live here now in Hawaii?
Mhm.
Me and Pantanal. Yeah, let's go over there before it gets too dark.
Hit
I
it,
would like you
poppers.
to try អាកំពីងទេចាកំរមានណានៅមានផ្លែប៉ុន្តែល្ងិតទេហ៎
Oh yeah.
Now that's definitely more people here.
I did.
Wow, look at all the more coconut. Right there.
They don't even gotta walk.
No, you have to walk. Wow, this is so cool. It's like a gazebo.
Oh, this is
Mm-hmm.
this one is bud spray.
So likes me.
Like the airports, yeah.
I live in Milan.
And I've traveled like everywhere.
Yeah,
It'll
I
be
didn't
like
know this
people
was
that
up
are
here.
civilians
Thinking
here.
I was just by myself.
So yeah, I
I
just
didn't even know there was a...
He or she? He don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Oh no. Mostly like my dog. Yeah, my dog does the same thing to him.
It likes you.
Yeah.
So everyone here lives in Milwaukee.
One was a dog in the past
Yeah, he's a
life.
dog whisperer.
Yeah, he was like the dog king or something.
Oh, okay.
Then to their sisters, they.
See, he don't like it.
Are you still in the military?
Yeah, I'm still Air Force.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
You're in the military.
So I work for an intel squad.
Oh, okay. Are you at Hickam?
I'm at Hickam.
Okay. Yeah. We see a lot of you Hickam guys in our clinic.
Oh yeah, I actually just had my surgery up there at AAA. I got a bunionectomy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, they did it off base.
too much, too much.
Hey, make sure you get it documented. You know,
Oh,
them
trust
VA
me.
ratings.
Trust me, I got it all documented. Yeah.
Yeah. I only did 8 years and I was able to leave with 80% ratings.
Really?
Yeah. Just make sure, even if it's a hang toenail, go see someone.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Only did 4 and about 30. But and then have some other things that are 0%. So
Yeah, those will go up.
Doesn't really matter, does it?
Mine next to mine because I was like,
I've been talking the mature one's sweeter. Yeah, I think it's sweeter because the younger one.
These ones are yummy or no?
I think they're sweeter because they're older.
Okay.
If there's another machete, we could try.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a bathroom in there if you want to walk in. With all this sticky.
Make the old, the old people do all the work.
You know what it is, so it's like... These guys still come here?
no, these first time.
You wanna try?
Try cutting it?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try.
Just don't cut your finger. So we chop the front one like this first,
Okay.
so it sit down.
Got it.
But be careful.
You should make the
Photo and
Too much?
harder.
Harder? Okay. I'm a city boy.
Don't be a bitch.
Okay, tomorrow we get to eat it.
Trying it. Alright. Okay, getting the hang of this.
Yeah.
So go in the main entrance and then you walk all the way to the back of the building.
Alright, okay.
And you don't have to follow.
I'm not getting up this way.
Yeah. Just a little bit like that, so it's easier for you.
Like that?
More like angle. Yeah, like that's fine.
Yeah. So the main entrance is where that man is.
Okay.
Just go in there and it's to the back.
Harder. Yeah, kill it.
I'm an artist, not a killer.
I know what you're talking about.
I think you guys.
If you need restroom, we have restroom in there.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, outside in the bush.
Okay. You can go in the back.
Still picking star fruit somewhere. Go ahead and eat. So you want to say a prayer, up to you. My Christian brother over here.
Is it chopped? Is it chopped? You're supposed to eat the. You can eat the skin. This part too.
For as long as Cambodians have been here, like
You do.
Cambodians, we're not associated with
So it's a fruit. No, it's not mango steam.
I don't want to.
It's different. It's different.
Do I take the whole thing? Or? Oh, okay.
I'm.
Phải tắm mấy con ó đấy nó. Cạ nhóc á. Mà cạ nhóc á, ấp chui nè. Khoai mà cạ dưới. Cái gì ba? Ấp chui nè. À đây Kahuku đi lọ man. chân mang thì là lại chơi Hawaii như thế này rồi và một hàng Kahuku ní phải tăng mấy cái lô đó bỏ ba bốn đây cái lô từ bốn đây còn hòm đây xì con nha đây xoài đây cái viên thang đây cung can thì ca lơ đá ta mượn nè được ca lơ chẳng nè được đây ca lơ nè
I mean,
And how do you cut it? Like,
Cut it that way, yeah.
you cut it that way, but you can bite into it.
oh really?
Might want to just wipe it.
Just bite into it?
Yeah. Oh shoot. Yeah. Bite the side. Yep. You can eat the skin.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And then the inside, it's kind of like it has small little seeds, kind of like an apple, you know. But if you bite into it, it's not, you know, it's more softer.
Spit out the seeds. Ready?
Is it sweet?
It is like an apple.
Yeah.
Cool.
But like more juicy and more crunchy.
Oh my god. Hell yeah. Juicy apple.
Yeah. That one, the
Oh,
inside is brown.
it's okay. I won't eat the brown part. It has this aroma too. I guess aroma. Well, when you eat it, when you bite into it.
No, I didn't really dare. I didn't ask. He just told me like, okay, and then he's just he baked, and we actually tasted it. And I'm just like,
You ever had it?
I'll listen.
Not like us, stay like 8 o'clock until 5, you know.
Oh, it's on chew.
lên nó ở dưới một nhóm biết tới duyên hỏi làm cái riêng biết tới riêng đang mà ra đến phim tới người miền